No! You just got cooked. Oh, stank the leg. Hit him with that stank leg. No, I'm kidding. Woke up and ran out the bed. I got it. Why you calling my phone? You're not calling. I was a movie. Top part of my life is a movie. It's not a fucking school. So that's what you fucking do. That's louder. Oh! Oh! Nah, that was a good clip. That was a good clip.